Okay, so in this video, we are going to look at not only solving linear systems using the TI-Nspire, but also deriving a quadratic function as a result from solving that system, okay, given 3 points. Okay, so we're looking for a function of x that's a quadratic function in standard form, namely f of x equals ax squared plus bx plus c. Very familiar with standard form by now, right? And what we're going to want to do is calculate, well, duh, what is a, b, and c? Because we know every quadratic is expressible in standard form. Okay, to figure that out, well, we're given these 3 points, right? And that's not a whole lot of information. So in the actual lesson video, I verbally like talk through this, but now I actually have software that can help us to do this, and that's exactly what we are going to use. But before that, we have to actually derive the system, right? So I'll also go over that in this video. So first, do some color coding here. Let's start with this set of points here. Okay, so obviously this is x, y. So my first equation is going to come from this first point, namely that y is 2 whenever x is 1, right? So a times 1 squared plus b times 1 plus c. Well, of course, that's just 2 equals a plus b plus c. So there's my first equation. Okay, then I need my next one. So x, y. So when y is 0, x is 3. So then that means, well, 3 squared is 9. So 9a plus 3b plus c. So that's my next equation. And last one, right? So when y is 6, x is 5. So that becomes 25a plus 5b plus c. And that's my next equation in the system that I get right here. Okay, so now what I'm going to want to do, so if we're on the home screen, obviously we want to go to just calculate. We can do this in the scratch pad. We don't have to create like a document or anything. I'm just going to go to menu. I'm going to go to algebra, and then I'm going to go to solve linear system. Okay, then there's 3 equations. So I'm going to enter 3 for 3 equations. And then the variables we want to use, again, this is arbitrary. Here I'm using A, B, and C. On the calculator, it's already defaulting just to X, Y, Z. I can change that as needed. So I'll go ahead and put A, B, and C just for funsies. A, comma, B, comma, C. Okay, so now we've got 3 spaces, and I'm going to enter in my system as is, except I'm going to put the equal sign on the right. I'm pretty sure it doesn't matter, but I feel like maybe it kind of does. But anyway, so A plus B plus C uh, equals, where is the equal button? Equals 2, right? And then next equation, I'm going to put in this guy here in blue. So 9a plus 3b plus c equals 0. Next equation, 25a plus 5b plus c is equal to 6. That's the one in pink. And whenever I've entered in my system, I just hit enter, and it gives me the answers for A, B, and C. Okay, so we can use this to solve any linear system like this, not just pertaining to a quadratic this way, right? So useful stuff. So any other kind of system that I have, I can use this, and maybe here later I'll create another video like where we use this. But yeah, I digress. So our actual function, switch back to green here. Our actual function of x is going to be, and I already forgot my numbers, so 1, negative 5, 6, 1, negative 5, 6, write them down so I don't forget. So a is 1, so that means it's just 1x squared or just x squared. B is negative 5, so minus 5x, and c is simply 6. And yeah, that's all there is to it. Okay, so I'm going to cut the video off right there. Like always, if there's anything else you'd like me to make a video over, or if there's anything else that you need, shoot me an email or let me know in class. Otherwise, goodbye.